This is going to be a kind of quick guide on how to start your cleaning business. It doesn't have to be this whole bunch of long information guide. You just need to know exactly what to do, put it into action, and boom, you started your cleaning business. So we're gonna get right into this. This first video is going to be all about picking your niche. So there's three main niches, which is commercial, residential, or Airbnb cleaning. Residential can be kind of tied into Airbnb cleaning, but they are just completely different still. So let's start with the Airbnb side, because that is what my business is. I have a Airbnb cleaning business here in Central Florida. We have been able to make more than 6 figures solely with Airbnbs. We currently do 11 bedrooms up to 14 bedroom Airbnbs. We have done down to 4 bedroom Airbnbs, but that's not really our market here in the area that we're in. So we do focus on those larger Airbnbs. It all depends on your area. Do you have attractions around? Are you in an area where it's a lot of tourists? If not, you might be able to find more of the smaller properties. Once again, just depends on your area, and that is your job to do that market research. For residential, these are your apartments, homes, just houses where people currently are living in and living all year round. These are the homes that I stay away from. I have thought about doing residential, but to be honest, I have been a housekeeper for a very long time, already went into the residential game, and I just don't like it. I don't like when the clients are there watching me, getting in the way. It's hectic, but it is a great starting point. Right now, at the stage where my business is, if I were to get into residential, it would be more of the luxury homes, where it's kind of like vacation homes. They don't really stay there. They just use it as a vacation home for themselves. They don't rent it out, and they're really organized. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want clutter everywhere. I just want a bigger house that they rarely use, if that makes sense. I know you know the ones that I'm talking about. And then for commercial, these are more of your long-term contracts, but it's also a long-term game. So you're gonna be in there long-term trying to advertise your cleaning services to a commercial client, whether it's through ads or just posting on social media. You're gonna have to kind of put yourself more out there, put yourself in their view for them to actually message you, because you're gonna get those clients when they need you, not when you need them. So with that information, really think about the area that you're in. Do you want to clean a home where most likely there's going to be people in there? A lot of people, especially right now, are working from home. So keep that in mind if you are thinking about going into residential. If it doesn't bother you, then that's up to you. At the end of the day, this is your business. Just really think about what niche you want to get into. And then you can start thinking about your game plan on finding those clients. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.